file it away on a drawer somewhere where no one ever sees it again. Because the purpose is to help align and motivate people. So we need to remind people about that.
That keeps us down.
Kid-like. Fuzzy critters.
Yes, I don't know your product. You do. So then what do I do after that? Send rights around and collect some data.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
So you want to set up Joey.
So I'll do build profiles slash. Yeah, that's the immediate deeper benefit.
And the car.
Yeah, and or the car.
Install setup.
And then you had the one. I think it's an overall experience, right?
Back, I'll ask if one person from each team would stand up, read out your vision statement, whatever form you wrote it in, read it out. We don't need to hear kind of a whole backstory.
Every day she lost sleep thinking about the innumerable risks her child might be taking on the road. One day, the neighbor's son wrecked and ended up in the hospital.
Thinking about how we're going to build it yet, but sticking again to why are we building it and what are those key benefits? What problem are we solving?
I don't think anyone's ranking customers. Our product flips retailing on its head and it ranks
features.
So this is where we actually, you know what, this could actually be second. So that's the point. Right. That's
A big part of the comments would be like, that's nice login.
There'll be chances.
Basically that. Get no information.
That's good. That's a great point. Yeah. So functioning tech.
Yeah, so whether it's just true.
if there's someone new, it'll be black. If someone we know, we get some type of history, they score rate.
Deeper benefit is their child is safer.
Maybe is a fun add-on feature. Yeah,
Maybe
I think
that.
it's-
Yep.